Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks. It means a lot. So it is the middle of winter, and it's freezing out. I wanted to do a review on these Zippo hand warmers. Are they worth it? You know, how hot do they get? Do they stay hot for as long as they advertise? I think they're advertised for 8 to 12 hours. One of them is a really old one, and one of them is like 2 years old. The little filling ports and the cups were different. They come with these little cups, but I didn't do that. I just filled it straight with lighter fluid until they were overflowing. So we're going to get these things lit, and I'll take a temperature reading of inside here. You see, just light that little area with a lighter or a match. So I'm going to light them up, get them warm, and then get some temp readings, and we'll see how long they can last. Right now it is 11:34 in the morning, a.m. So just real quick to show you guys how cold it is. 56 on the wall, and then 54 top of this, and as you can see, it went up 75. Now let me pull them out. Let's see how warm they really are. Alright. So they're up to about 86 degrees. So 80 something degrees. That's at 11:43 right now. They should last about 8 hours. We'll see. Okay, we're back. It's 3:20. Temperature's still about 48 degrees, you see. It's in the 40s. I'm going to pull these Zippo pocket hand warmers straight out of my pocket, and we are going to check the temps. Wow, look at that. 100 degrees. It's hours later, it's still going 107. Let's take the other one out, and we'll see. Same thing, 100. Let's take them out of the pouches and see. Alright, directly out of the pouches, we can see temperatures of 120 there, it showed. $110 is about the highest in that one. Yeah, so 110 to 120. That's not bad at all. And like I said, it's 3:20, so they've been on for at least 3 hours now. I'll get the final hour count at the end of the day. So I'm putting them back in here and leave them out here. Go eat some lunch. 5:31. And we're back at the heat warmers, or hand warmers, pocket hand warmers, and they're still going. So about 6 hours later, and 100, 110. So we got 110 on one, 105. So between 105 and 110. Let me get them out the bag and check them. Alright, let's see what we got for heat. 116, 120, 123. Let's see what we can get the highest is. So we got 123. So it's definitely over 100 degrees still, 6 hours later, and it's solid over 100 degrees. So we'll keep going, see how long they last. 58. I think we started these at about 11:30. They're starting to die off on heat. They're still warm, but I feel like they're not producing any more heat. So definitely a solid 7 hours. 40, and these things are still piping hot. I thought they were getting colder, but they're not. They're actually they feel warmer now. So as soon as I get back home, we'll take the temp on them. Okay, it's 8:55. So about 9 hours later with these things, and we are still pumping out over 100 degrees through the bag. That's crazy. Let's take them out and see what they got. Wow, they got even hotter. 128. So almost 130 degrees out of these things. They're still going. Like I said, 9 hours later or so. Don't know the official time, but it's been at least 9 hours. So we're going to let them keep going. It's a 9:26, and one of them has gone out. This other one's still putting out a little heat, so we'll call it at 9:26. We'll check the footage and see the exact total time.